Good morning everybody, it's a Saturday morning here and it's a solo mission today. I've lost my gang. Ruby's off to a gymnastics comp, Clayton's taken her with Chase, and I'm off to Kalbar for a gig. So I'm going to take you along, give you a little bit of a behind the scenes look at my crazy day, and yeah, we'll see you on the other side. Go. And I'm going to be the official pig singer. So I sing songs before the pigs go out and do their big run. I don't know if you can see my shirt. Sandy Creek Pub, they have Noah's Thoroughbred Racing Pigs. That's a bit of a tongue twister. Thoroughbred Racing Pigs. And I literally sing before every race. Look, I've had worse crowds, I can tell you that much. The pigs love it. And Clay's taken the kids. Ruby has her very first gymnastics comp today. So life as parents, we've got the whole sports day stuff, but yeah, we'll keep you updated on how we go throughout the day. Have a great day, guys. We'll chat to you soon. Alright, so we're travelling out to Kalbar. It's about an hour from our place, so it's just on the scenic rim. Awesome, beautiful little country town out in Mulgra Dam, and always love the country shows. Always so much fun. Rural shows are the best, and yeah, so heading out there. Now, if I haven't explained it right before, so we sing songs for the pigs, and there's little piglets, and they race around, and it's a lot of fun. It's honestly a lot of fun. I'm gonna have to definitely film it later. But I sing a couple of songs before the race, and then I play a bugle call, and then all of the pigs literally come running. They know the sounds. They know when I start singing that something exciting is about to happen. And then they come and they get ready in their little box. Then everyone gathers around, cheers them on, and they run and they try to find the food. They're like their first pig to find the food. It's always a good laugh. So, you know, I've played to some crazy country crowds before. Nothing quite like the pigs, but I can tell you what, these guys aren't the worst crowd I've ever played to. We've certainly had our interesting bunch of crowds out there. And yeah, sometimes it can be a bit of an eye-opener. So look, the pigs is nothing. It's nothing for me. It's a good crowd. They love it. They love music. So I'll show you a little bit of behind the scenes as we get into the show, and hopefully we'll have an awesome day. See you dance again.
travel Canon. And then we have the Amy Presley, the green jumping Kalbar over the wall. And we have the this afternoon, the wind big to use a handy painting competition over the wall painting, dropping 14 hands, 2/8 group, under 17 and over 17 years. If you are interested in competing in the event, horse pattern is available here during the day from Centre Round.
Like a scratch, DL? You like a scratch.
Holly joins me this morning. The part. I know it's not real easy, but
at the
please
show.
try and remember that. Wash your hands as often as possible.
COVID.
Use all the hand sanitizers that we have around the grounds for you.
Use
and if
all
you're
the
not
hand
feeling well,
sanitizers.
well, please stay at home or just stay away so we don't have any issues. Please register your attendance at the show through the QR code at all of the entry gates around the grounds. Just a reminder.
So I think our first race is at around 10 a.m. and
place here at our show.
We'll get the pigs all sorted. They're all pretty excited. Had a little bit of a play with them earlier. They love a scratch. And yeah, we're about to get started. Make some music.
Our prime.
The light blue, the turquoise. I'll roll this up so I don't tip over. Rightio people, these are crowd activated pigs. Caps for short. So the more noise you make, the faster these guys will run. So if you stand there like stun mullets, the pigs will stand there. If you make plenty of noise, these guys will fly around this track. And they're off, and it's just gold out in front, followed by the pig through the first, second, third tyre, and they're up to the all-you-can-eat toll gate. It's gold. They've pulled up for a snack in the corner. Come on, guys, you can do it. Oh, it's silver. No, it's red's busted out, and he's gone. He's up to the bacon bouncer. Can he get through the gate? And he's over. It's red out in front by a mile, followed by silver and pink and blue. Around the corner, up over the ramp, through the tunnels. Now it's the first one to find the dish with the milk, and it's not that dish. They're all confused. Pink's in with a chance. Blue, pink, red, blue, blue.
Brown horse, you see one? You had a look for it, please. Now hurry up. Go and look for the horse. It's around here somewhere. Is that me horse? It's the wrong noise. It's the wrong noise. What's going on? What's happening? Where's Grand? Have you seen Grandad? Where is he? He's going to be a dotty. He keeps losing him. What did he lose?
Alright, this is the therapy music for our races mix. Busted flat in Baton Rouge, heading for a train. Well, I was feeling as fit as my jeans. Bobby thought the days were down just before it rained. Took us all the way to New Orleans. I put my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana. I was playing sad, and Bobby sang the blues, oh yeah. With the windshield wipers slapping time, I was holding Bobby's hand in mine, and we sang every song that I tried to do. Oh, and freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Yeah, nothing ain't worth nothing, but it's free. My body was racing the Pigs, our race number 2 for the day, very, very shortly. So make sure you get your spot down here on the sideline of the Racing Pigs. And we're looking for some names for these guys. So if you've got some very, very, very creative names, make sure you save them. Johnny. I'm the official race pig calmer or something. Some calmer? Pig music therapy. I'm the pig music therapist. So before their races, they like to hear some country music. It gets them all a little bit sort of ready and calm and feeling fine before the big race. So you'll see as I start getting toward the end of my songs before their race, they get a bit more excited, as you can see right now. They're very smart pigs.
Done. Is that it? We're done? Awesome. One more time again? No. We can't have spring carnival when we go. The pigs love that sound. See, they're all excited and ready to race. Righto kids, you have your thinking caps on. We're going to have to name our 6 little racing piggies here. So who here wants to name our first pig, and just stand there, put your hands up, ain't going to get my attention. You're going to make some noise and yell at me, say, I want to name a pig. Who wants to name a pig? Very quiet. Pig, that's better. What colour pig do you want to name? The blue pig. What are we going to name the blue pig? Gemma? Is that after one of your friends? No, yeah, no. The blue pig is Gemma. Oh yeah, who else here wants to name a pig for me? You got to be nice and loud to get my attention. Hey. What colour pig do you want to name? Pink and silver and the rest all. Gold's still pulled up to a snap. And we had a gate malfunction, and they're all piled up in the corner. We're going the wrong way now. Oh yeah, back this way. Here we go. We've got a gold out the front. It's red's flying and it's gold. It is the blue pig.